Alright guys, I have another story for you today, just for fun. It's called The Goat Who Couldn't Sneeze. Up on the mountains there lived a goat. He had 2 horns and a snowy white coat. He could baa 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 as loud as you please, but let me tell you, this goat could not sneeze. One day this leader of the goats called his friends in their furry coats. He asked them all, please, oh please, who will teach me how to sneeze? The big bear said, I'll show you how. You can learn to sneeze right now. Just watch me as I sniff the breeze. I take a breath and then I sneeze. Ah, 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 chew! The wildcat said, I'll show you how. You can learn to sneeze right now. Just watch as I sniff the breeze. I take a breath and then I sneeze. Ah, 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 chew! The kind deer said, I'll show you how. You can learn to sneeze right now. Just watch me as I sniff the breeze. I take a breath and then I sneeze. Ah, 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 chew! I'll try, said the goat with a mighty shout, but only a tiny ah came out. No, no, said the big bear and the wildcat. No, said the kind deer, not like that. The goat herd said, sorry, this won't do. We can't stay with a leader like you. Adios, said his friends as they walked away. They all went home with nothing to say. The very next day, the goat packed his bag and went to town with a ziggity-zag. As he walked along, he sang to the trees, I'll find someone to help me sneeze. In town, the goat saw people go by. Who can I ask? He said with a sigh. The goat said, Senor, help me please. I came to town to learn to sneeze. No, said the man, please go away. I am making baskets to sell today. The goat said, Senora, help me please. I came to town to learn to sneeze. No, said the woman, please go away. I have many tortillas to sell today. The goat said, Padre, help me please. I came to town to learn to sneeze. No, said the priest, I'm sorry to say, I have many people to visit today. The goat walked on till his hooves were sore. The tired goat couldn't walk anymore. The goat cried out, won't someone please come and help me learn to sneeze? I will, buzzed a bee just flying by. I'll help, I will, but you really must try. Then the bee did a dance on the sad goat's nose. The tickle went dancing right down to his toes. The goat wiggled his body and sniffed the breeze. He tried very hard, and then the goat sneezed. Ah, 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 chew! The mountains echoed out his sneeze. His herd and friends were very pleased. The mighty leader of all the goats stood proudly in his snowy white coat. The village folks were filled with wonder. They thought the sneeze was stormy thunder. Bravo, said the bee as it waved goodbye. See, all you needed was a bee nearby. Yes, said the goat as he took his bag. Up the mountain he went with a ziggity-zag. From that day to this, folks say it's true. When a goat sees a bee, it sneezes. Ah, chew. The end.